Hello students, so today we are going to start the topic that is law of segregation. According to law of segregation, alleles do not show any blending. Means alleles कभी भी blending show नहीं करते हैं, mixed नहीं होते हैं. They will separately show their characteristic. If suppose any characteristic or any trait which is not show in F1 generation, it will definitely show in the F2 generation, and parents contain both the alleles. But during the formation of gamete or gamete formation के time पे only single characteristic will show or single factor will show in the during the formation of gametes. So gamete receive only one factor out of the two factors. Like if suppose we are talking about homozygous, so in homozygous both contain the same character. Means अगर ये है homozygous तो homozygous में सिमिलर कैरेक्टरिस्टिक शो करेगा क्योंकि वो दोनों ही सेम टाइप का जीन कैरी कर रहे हैं, सेम टाइप के कैरेक्टरिस्टिक कैरी कर रहे हैं. बट इन हेट्रोजाइगस इट कंटेन्स द गैमीट कंटेन different kind of characteristic. Means ये वाला characteristic is also present and this characteristic is also present. So in a homozygous is always show the similar makes the similar gametes, and heterozygous will obviously show the different kind of gametes, or different characters of gametes will show in the heterozygous. So student, our next topic is incomplete dominance. According to Mendel's जो भी characteristics होते हैं they will not mixed up, they segregate or separately show होते हैं. But during the time of experiment जब continuously बहुत सारा pea plant पे experiments हुए different traits को लेकर, other plants को लेकर, तो हमने क्या observation मिली हमें, क्या हमने देखा कि sometimes the characteristics are mixed up. Means जो characters हैं वो एक दूसरे के साथ mix हो जाते हैं और इन बिटवीन द टू प्लांट्स, दोनों प्लांट्स के बीच का कोई कैरेक्टरिस्टिक निकलकर सामने आता है. जैसे कि वी कैन टेक वन एग्जांपल दैट इज स्नैपड्रैगन. स्नैपड्रैगन प्लांट में इफ सपोज वी आर टेकिंग द एग्जांपल ऑफ स्नैपड्रैगन एंड द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक इज कलर ऑफ फ्लावर. तो अगर हम कलर ऑफ फ्लावर को लेकर एक क्रॉस करवाया, this is a true breeding plant, capital red flower of snapdragon, and this is also a true breeding plant, characteristic is white flower. So when we crossed between the red and the white flower, what we will get? We will get the new characteristic that is pink flower. So यहाँ पर characteristic क्या हो रहा है? ब्लेंडिंग हो रही है, मतलब कैरेक्टरिस्टिक मिक्स्ड हो रहा है, और जो हमको F1 जनरेशन मिल रही है वो कुछ डिफरेंट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक शो कर रही है. जैसे कि द पिंक कलर ऑफ द फ्लावर, इट इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द पेरेंट प्लांट. एंड इफ वी अगेन डू द सेल्फ पॉलिनेशन, जैसे हमने यहाँ पर सेल्फ पॉलिनेशन करवा रहे हैं, सो इन द सेकेंड जनरेशन वी विल सी दैट दिस इज द रेड कलर. So red flower is here and this is a white flower, but when it contains both the characteristic, both the alleles are present, it will show the pink color in the flower. So हमें क्या मिल रहा है यहाँ पर, जब characteristic blend हो रहे हैं, mix हो रहे हैं, the color of the flower is changed and it is pink in color. So if you will see the phenotypic ratio, you can see that phenotypic ratio is totally different from the previous one. जो हमने पहले क्या पढ़ा था, हम पहले पढ़ रहे थे phenotypic ratio is always 3:1, but यहाँ पर the phenotypic ratio is different, 1:2:1, because one color of red flower and two are pink and this one is white. So 1:2:1 का ratio मिला हमें. And obviously genotypic ratio is same, 1:2:1, but the phenotypic ratio is changed here, and this is called the incomplete dominance. यहाँ पर completely जो ये डोमिनेटिंग जीन है, ये कंप्लीटली अपने आप को शो नहीं कर पा रहा है. कैसा डोमिनेंस हो रहा है? इनकम्प्लीट काइंड ऑफ डोमिनेंस हो रहा है. एंड दैट इज वाई द कलर ऑफ द फ्लावर इज चेंज्ड एंड इट विल बी द पिंक कलर ऑफ फ्लावर. And this is called the incomplete dominance, and it's a very good example. You can use it anywhere. So student, we have already studied about the incomplete dominance. Now when we are talking about the dominance, incomplete dominance, there is a question arises that what is the concept of dominance, because the concept is totally changing continuously. So the concept of dominance is totally upon the thing which is called genes, because genes carry the characteristics. So every characteristic which show in the organism, it is present in the gene, it is controlled by the genes. So the genes are, or the alleles are not always identical. They are also heterozygote, like this one or this one. They are heterozygote. So because of some kind of modifications, the characteristics is changed. In the human being is a diploid organism, and diploid organisms is always carry the 2 copy of each gene. So obviously it contains the identical kind of genes also. It contain the means homozygous और heterozygous दोनों contain करते हैं. And maybe sometimes the modifications will occur, and because of these modifications the characteristic of the genes which is expressed is changed. So students, let's take an example of a gene that carry the information of production of enzyme. So the normal alleles produces the enzyme which doing the normal process, making substrate and everything, and there is a modified allele which actually block the process. So the modified alleles contain 3 type of functioning. The first one is the normal or less efficient enzyme, the second is a non-functional enzyme, and third one is the no enzyme. So if it contains the gene contains the normal enzyme, you cannot find out whether the alleles is modified or unmodified, because जो एंजाइम की प्रोसेस है, जो एंजाइम का फंक्शन है, वो ये फर्स्ट वाला नॉर्मल वाला एंजाइम कर रहा है, नॉर्मल वाला एलील कर रहा है ये प्रोसेस. सो वी कैन नॉट आइडेंटिफाइड इट. बट व्हेन the non-functional gene or the no enzyme, this one, so second and third one allele is present, we can easily identify that they are the recessive characteristic and they are not similar to the normal enzyme. Normal enzyme के जैसे ये similar नहीं है, ये recessive characteristic हैं, because they cannot do the proper function. So this example will show the recessive traits.